Tutorial of Lishi HON66. The lock has 8 spaces. First of all, we have to confirm the position of every wafer. The aside only has 3 wafers. Use the lifter to find it. When you touch the position that's elastic, it is wafer position. And then find the other position. Look for the elastic position. The third wafer is down. And touch the third position. Elastic, the third wafer is up. We already found all wafers of a side. And then we use B lifter to find positions of B side. The first wafer is down. The second wafer is up. The third wafer is down. The fourth wafer is up. The fifth wafer is down. Finally, we find all wafers' positions. The next step is to push the tension bar. The second step is to pick the lock. We will use a lifter to click the wafers at first. Use the lifter to touch the wafer that we found. If it's elastic, please go for another one. If you feel the wafer hard, please click it. Feel hard like this, please click it. Let's touch them one more time. Elastic. It's spongy. Also spongy. And then we should pick the B side. Touch it. It's spongy. The second is also spongy. The third wafer, you feel it hard. Click it. The third wafer is also hard. Please click it. It's already picked halfway. Pay attention. We use a lifer to pick them for the rest halfway. Same way. If it is hard, please click it. Go for the other wafer. If you feel anyone hard, please click it. At present, all wafers are picked. And now let's decode from every wafer. The second position is 3. The third position is 1. The fourth position is 3. Let's get the key biddings of B side. The first bidding is 6. The second position is also 6. The third position is 4. The fourth position is 1. The fifth position is 5. We got all key biddings from Lishi now. And now let's get a new key from these codes. We used to empty tank CNC key cutting machine to cut this key. At first, connect the machine by Bluetooth. Click the Bluetooth switch. Click Search again. And click the series number. And then enter the menu Cut by Bidding. The next, we'll find HON66 on the searching bar. Select the first one. Here is guide picture of key installation. Install the key blank on the jaw. Click Continue. We will input the code at the right positions. 3, 1, 3. And side B. 6, 6, 4, 1, 5. How to get to the rest biddings? Here, click Find Bidding. And select the first one. All key biddings are ready. Please click Cut. Finish cutting both sides. We need to try this key, but we have to turn the decoder back ahead of time. It is important. Please don't pull the Lishi decoder from the lock if you don't turn it back. We use lifter to click it, that's okay. The second wafer. The fourth. The third. One more time, click side of positions till Lishi decoder will be turned back. It's successful to turn back, and you can pull the Lishi decoder from the lock. Trying to turn the new key. Perfect. What's more? We got 2 biddings just now. There is only one different number between them. We just need to change to into 5 on this position. If it is okay, click single depth cut. Move the cutting position on the 5th. We will change the depth of single position. Install the key on the jaw again. Click OK at last. One cut is okay, and cut the other side. This key biddings can turn on both the door lock and ignition lock.